Eitara Khabo Mohonyana, the selector boy. You are watching Bona Kena le Mang. Oh, Lara. On YouTube.
Bona Kena le Mang. Bona Kena le Mang. Bona Kena le Mang. Bona Kena le Mang. Bona Kena le Mang.
XL50, you already know what it is. This is the hardest show on the planet. Bona Kena le Mang.
Hi guys, known as Hunadi, the host of Rapasa Tlasala Mubarako.
Hey, yeah, you can feel the energy. You can feel the energy that this one has it all. So anyway, tell us about yourself, a bit about yourself.
Well, Hunadi, the host of Rapam is Herbex. You choose or I'm known for doing radio for years. I'm known as a presenter, television, the adverts, the promotions, and all of that. So I'm just that, the media, upcoming media guru.
So I'm with someone on TV here. And, oh my God! From now on, call me the celeb.
Yeah.
I chill with celebrities. Guys. So what got you into radio? What was your inspiration and all?
Well, I grew up listening to radio. And from Marayeng, you never think or go radio. But I grew up listening to ThobelaFm, and I never thought one day I'm going to go to ThobelaFm. But then I go community radio station as a presenter, and then from there I started my own radio station with my friend, online radio station, and then from there I'm now on ThobelaFm. It's always been on my blood, and I love radio. I've been doing something. I worked for a community radio station for full 7 years. And I did an online radio station for 2 years. Now you go a national radio station. So it's passion. It's something that I love so much. Very close to my heart.
Wow. I'm gonna leave this show and come to radio. Looks like the people want to know sometimes when you are not on radio, when you are not like live, what is it that you do? What's your side passion? Somebody says they are a great cook. Somebody say, you know what? Apart from your job, the things that you do, what is it that you do? Like your side hobbies, the ones that you love.
Well, besides my job as a presenter, as a host, I have a business. I'm very much passionate about the business. Get your family in your business. Although they were not big, but to my parents, they taught us a lot about business. So I have a business, Yaka mascots. If you know the famous Spider-Man from South Africa, that's my Spider-Man. That's my Spider-Man.
What? You know what she said? Hey guys, Spider-Man. So you are the mother of Peter Parker.
Yeah, I'm the one who auditioned Peter Parker from South Africa.
Yeah.
So I have a business of mascots.
Wait, she's the one who brought Peter Parker in South Africa. Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah. So that famous Spider-Man I didn't run around in South Africa. That's my Spider-Man.
For real. People used to say that was me because I'm a good dancer.
Oh.
So now you're exposing me on my show.
Then you should come and join us. I have a lot of costumes. You should come.
Yeah, I have to come.
Yeah, so that's my business.
Yeah.
And today only if I knew, I could have brought Mickey Mouses, Minnie Mouses, and Spider-Man as well. So, but I didn't know. But next time when we come back, I'll bring my mascot so that people can understand what I'm talking about.
You know what we just found out, guys? Peter Parker's mom. Hey yo, I would like to start this. It's your favorite show. Today I'm chilling with Peter Parker's mom from ThobelaFm. What? So, okay, anyway, what can you say to all your fans and everybody that follows you? What can you say to them?
You know, I haven't reached a level where I can say I have fans. I have supporters. People that have made me who I am today. Since the first time we get on radio in 2013 up until today, those are my supporters and I love them so much and I thank them each and every day for the support. Because when you have the support, overly confidence, so they give me confidence. They are the reason why I wake up every morning. Miracle. Just for them to believe anything is possible. Anything is possible. Just hustle. Be a hustler.
Anything is possible.
Yes.
ThobelaFM, you better watch out for this one. It's a warning. We might anyway, in closing, what do you want to be remembered as?
Nane, ke nyaka gore batho ba nkgopola khopele bya ka Sepedi ne. Ke nyaka gore batho ba re ba nkgopola ba gopole gore there was this lady o leng gore o be a believe in herself. Or when you believe in yourself, ntongo le ngwe possible. Believe in yourself, anything is possible. Le re ke tlhokofetse ke nyaka gore bana ba banyane, especially young girls, ba tseba gore whether o tswa magaeng o tswa lapeng le le sokolang, you can still reach your dreams. Yeah, I want to be remembered as someone who believed in herself and wanted everyone to believe in themselves.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So yeah, lastly, you have everyone has impressions, right? Like the ones that you do on radio. I don't know if expressions or impressions or those ones. We would like you to do yours on radio. I don't know, this is the mic on a 2 on the ones and 2, mom.
Hey.
So do your radio one.
So I'm closing.
Yeah, you closing with it.
Kaspedi.
No, but with your impression of radio, the one that you do on radio.
Yeah.
This is mama.
Yeah. Sepedi or should I go
You can do it both.
Alright, Thobela metsotso ke lebele tshikele some fela go tla go ile rena ya bobedi go ke shaga tso tlo go ipsine ka rena nna ke na Hunadi the host for pass hlasela mo borego tada
nako ke yona iri ya boshupa mo sekeng sa rena sa ora re kete ka gona mo weekend mo khwe. This is the hardest show on the planet. Rate, guys, which one do you think is the best? Ke nako ke yona iri ela ya le tseba, guys. So yeah, out closing, yeah, where they can find you, follow you and all that.
Well, on social media, all the platforms, they can follow me, Hunadi _ the host on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. On Facebook, it's Hunadi the host. Hunadi the host. And if they want to book the mascot, if they want the MC, the best MC in the whole world,
the mother of Peter Parker. You have that. Mago Spider-Man. So guys, you know what to do. Don't forget to do them things. You already know what it is. We out. It was nice having you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bona Kena le Mang.